Has the thought of paying for college been keeping you up at night? If you're like many parents we meet at first, you're not alone. When my daughter was born, that same thought crossed my mind. My name is Hugo Carvajal, and I'm with the College Funding Coach. The College Funding Coach is a national organization that's been around since 2002. Our founder, Brock Jolly, realized that many parents face the anxiety of finding the money to pay for college. Today, we have many advisors across the country teaching workshops called The Little Known Secrets of Paying for College. We partner with guidance counselors, principals, and community leaders to teach a free 2-hour workshop. Many parents decide that they need our help and will meet with us for a free consultation. At the end of our process, parents will be able to have a plan to help them reduce the anxiety, pay for college with the most cost-efficient dollars, and not put a strain on their retirement. To book your workshop in the New Jersey, New York City area, contact us today.